In 2016, he won bronze medal at the Olympics. But this was the beginning of something no one anticipated. This is a story about how one man rebuilt the entire sport. This is the story of Victor Axelsen. During the 2017 Glasgow World Championships, Victor defeated Lindan and became the world champion and announced himself to the world. Later, an injury occurred and brought questions and doubts. So, he rebuilt himself. He became a more clinically technical player. He entered the Tokyo Olympics 2020 as the favorites. In the finals against Chen Long, he was unbeatable and he won his first Olympic gold medal. But this was not enough for him. Axelsen made a decision that would reshape the sport completely. He left Denmark and moved to Dubai. This was not just a training facility, it was a complete change in his philosophy. During 2021-2023, Victor dominated like nobody ever had. In 21, he had won two titles including the World Tour Finals. In 2022, he won his second World Championship plus an All England Open in 2023. He also won the Super 1000 Grand Slam, which means he won All England, Indonesia Open, Malaysia Open, and China Open in just one season. 183 weeks as world number one. He invented a new way to play badminton. Precision smashes, perfect placement, high accuracy, lower error rates than every other player. He changed the game itself. During the 2024 Paris Olympics, he faced Vidit Sani in the finals. In just 52 minutes, with a scoreline of 21-11, 21-11, he won his second Olympic gold medal, and that too by 20-point margin. It was clear domination in an Olympic final, one of the most dominating performances in badminton history. He was a back-to-back Olympic champion. But here's the thing, Victor Axelsen didn't just win badminton trophies and titles and all, but he completely rebuilt it. He was not just a player, he became a paradigm shift. He was the architect of modern badminton. Now, here's the question I want to ask you guys. In 2028, Los Angeles will be hosting the Olympics. Victor will be 34 years old. Can he become the first badminton player in history to win 3 Olympic gold medals? See, no one's ever done it before in badminton. But if anyone can rewrite history, it's him.